Proposed plan for State Life Housing Society Phase 1. Salient features of merger. The Lake City will take over all assets and liabilities of the State Life. On issuance of the merger certificate, the society, its management, assets, and liabilities shall exclusively vest in the Lake City. All members and allotments provided by the State Life in all its phases at the time of the execution of the merger agreement, subject to verification, will be treated as valid and lawful by the Lake City. Salient of the liabilities: to upgrade and rehabilitate the existing infrastructure, development works of Phase 1, to develop the land of Phase 2 by contributing about 50% subsidy to deal with the deep excavated areas. Challenges Phase 1: accessibility, entrance and exit and society gate, infrastructure upgrade, provision of security, restricted access through gated community, provision of amenities, hospital, community center, society office, petrol pump, etc., removal of stray animals, member and resident portal, connectivity of Phase 1 and Phase 2, streetlights and parks. Challenges: accessibility, entrance and exit and society gate. सोसाइटी के एंट्रेंस पे ट्रैफिक की बेहतरी के लिए एक अंडरपास बनाया जाएगा। फेज़ 1 एंड फेज़ 2 को कनेक्ट करने के लिए राना चौक पर भी एक अंडरपास बनाया जाएगा। Challenges: security, implementation of security measures through gates and barriers, patrolling day, night and maintaining strong vigilance, erecting fence or wall where needed, surveillance through cameras to regulate entry and exit and to enhance the safety of residents and their property, removal and control of stray animals, implement of procedures for registering and monitoring visitors, including labor and house servants. A ब्लॉक में मेडिकल सेंटर की तामीर, ई ब्लॉक में कम्युनिटी क्लब की तामीर, जे ब्लॉक में पेट्रोल पंप की तामीर, एफ कमर्शियल में इंटरनेशनल फूड चेन्स को लाया जाएगा। मेंबर्स के लिए एक ऐप बनाई जाएगी जिसके ज़रिए वो कंप्लेंट और बेसिक सर्विसेज हासिल कर सकेंगे। प्रपोज्ड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ Phase 2. Due to shortage of land offered by State Life, after due diligence on the basis of information provided by the management of State Life, the Lake City shall provide the plot of following sizes to the members in lieu of the earlier provisional allotment of plot. 8 marlas developed plot against 14 marlas, 5,010 files. 4 marlas developed plot against 7 marlas, 1,740 files. Despite a sizable shortfall in land offered by State Life, the Lake City will provide amenities and parks and horticulture, etc., as per standards set by the private housing scheme rules. On approval of merger, the plots provisionally allotted by State Life shall be resized and renumbered according to the new layout plan. Cost of development will be subsidized by the Lake City and members will pay Rs 2 lakhs per marla. मेंबर्स से कोई मर्जर फीस नहीं ली जाएगी। डेवलपमेंट चार्जेस की पहली इंस्टॉलमेंट 20% रोड डेवलपमेंट वर्क के बाद ली जाएगी। डेवलपमेंट चार्जेस 5 किस्तों में 6 महीने की वक्फे से ली जाएगी। इंडिपेंडेंट ग्रिड स्टेशन बनाया जाएगा और Phase 2 में अंडरग्राउंड इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन की जाएगी। LDA के अप्रूवल के फ़ौरन बाद काम शुरू कर दिया जाएगा जो 36 महीनों में ख़त्म होगा। Phase 2 का प्रपोज्ड प्लान, जिसमें मेन बॉलीवार्ड का साइज़ 150 फीट होगा और रोड का मिनिमम साइज़ 40 फीट होगा। एरिया स्टेटमेंट ऑफ प्रपोज्ड लेआउट प्लान इन कंप्लायंस विद LDA by laws 5 and 10 marla.